Hello there everyone, hope you're doing good. Today I'm here to discuss something important in your body. And very important thing is your heart, which works round the clock throughout the day and keeps on going through your entire life. But how do we take care of that important thing, your heart? Let's take an example. We take two persons, example over here, one an active person, another a sedentary person. Now a sedentary person's heartbeat roughly say at 75 beats per minute. An average person's heartbeat ranges between 60 to 80 beats per minute. So that's 75 beats per minute is multiplied by 60 minutes. And that figure is multiplied by 24 hours. The figure which you get, you'll see that much number of times your heart beats in the entire day. Now let's take another example of the inactive person, whose heartbeat we say it is 65 beats per minute. Now we multiply that into 60 and that figure into 24. You see the vast difference when you compare those both figures. The only reason is an active heart. You see, the oxygen intake remains same. I would rather say an active person's heart receives much more oxygen in that particular amount of beats as compared to those beats of an sedentary person. So moral here is your heart works out more when you're not active. Yes, that's the conclusion. So when you compare those both figures, you see and you come to a conclusion that being active is necessary in today's time, and it's good for your health as well, because what you sow today shall reap you tomorrow. That's right. When now you take care of your heart, will take care of you in future. Tips to keep heart healthy: avoid processed foods, don't go for ready to eat meals, instead eat from scratch to your plate. That means cook out everything at your place from scratch to a whole meal. Avoid sweet foods, avoid too much oily foods. Once in a while it's okay, it's fine, you can indulge, there's no problem in that. But during these days when you're home, indulge in a number of workouts according to you, whatever may be your likings, be it high interval training or resistance training or body weight training. Yes, it's available right in front of here, YouTube. Choose the best workout which you like. Work out every day. Be active, make others active. God bless, take care. And yes, do keep watching Nutrition by Kshitij for such tips. And yes, if you want a dedicated meal plan as well as a workout plan, we offer 20% off through YouTube. So yes, do get in touch with me. I'll mention my email just below. Take care. Bye-bye.